Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with a real quick double unboxing and first impressions for you guys and gals. So today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Cimo or Cimo case for the Pixel XL first generation and the BOYA MM1 universal cardioid microphone. So as I already did, I already cracked all the tapes and seals. So without further ado, let's walk around these packages and get into the first impressions. Let's start off with the microphone, and then we'll do the case at the end, and then we'll wrap this video up. So starting off with the BOYA MM microphone here, I have to say this was in one of my crazy deals videos, and as you guys and gals know, everything that I feature in a crazy deals video, I eventually try to bring into the channel. And you know, I thought it was time to do another microphone upgrade, so I figured why not bring this one in. Alright, so as you can see, we got some really clean packaging here with everything laid out nice and neatly. Again, feel free to pause and read these things for yourself. So this microphone is compatible with just about everything. It's compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, so on and so forth. Alright? And in the packaging, we should have everything that we should need. So we should have the microphone, a mount, a wind muff, a dead cat, so on and so forth. And I gotta say, I really do like this packaging here. It's very clean, it's very simple, with just the right amount of detail on it. Now, the packaging did get a little beat up in shipping, so we're gonna see what the actual contents look like as I take it out of the box. So let me move this case off to the side here, and let's slide this bad boy out. Little struggles on here. Yeah, because that bottom of the box got messed up. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. Nothing else in the box, as y'all can see there. It's completely empty. So let's throw this off to the side here. And here we have the microphone, all the cables and the mount, and the dead cat and the windscreen, and then we have the user manual here. So let's look at all the pieces first, then we're going to come back and walk through the user manual. So here we have the dead cat, and it looks like it's already on the microphone itself. Yeah. Alright. Then we have the mount here with the plugins. So this will slot right onto my newer R rig here that I have offside here. So that'll slide right onto there. Or if I wanted to mount it on one of my mini tripods, you can see we do have a regular tripod thread. So really, really nice. Then this is the wire. So pretty clean wiring. One end goes into the microphone, the other end goes into my smart device or what have you. We're going to test all this stuff out in the coming videos. But let's see what else we got here. We have more cabling here. Silver plated cabling, so I don't know how good this is going to be. It's like we have a nice little carrying pouch here. Looks good. Company branding on it. Good stuff. Good stuff indeed. Alright. Good. Alright. And your silica gel. Don't have to worry about that. Let me throw this off to the side. Alright. Now let's take a closer look at the microphone here. So the dead cat is already on it, it looks like. I'm not entirely sure how to take it off. I think it just pops off. Don't want to break anything. Does look like it's on there pretty good though. Yeah, I think it just slides out. Let me see. Yep. All right, so here is the main microphone itself. Pretty good, pretty good. Now the dead cat, as far as I understand it, that's only used to isolate the sound and cut down on the extra wind noise. So you can use the mic with or without the dead cat here. And let's just pop it onto the mount here and see what it looks like. So I believe it just slots right in. Hope I don't break anything. Alright, I probably should have played with this before I started the video. There might be a way to open this up. Alright, not entirely sure. Alright, we'll mess around with it and get everything set up here. Whoops. As I drop it like a noob, we'll mess around with it and get everything set up. And when I come back with the full review, I'll know how to work all of this. But I gotta say, first impressions, just looking at the microphone with nothing on it, it looks pretty good. It looks really, really clean. Now what I'm gonna do is, in post, I'm gonna take a picture of the Mauve microphone that I'm using to record this audio side by side with the BOYA mic here so y'all can see the size differences. But really, really good stuff. Okay? Now let's take a second to run through the user manual. Then we're gonna unbox the case and we'll wrap this video up. Alright, so again, pretty clean user manual. This says BOYA on it, and it's the model I'm assuming is the BOYA-MM1 universal cardioid microphone. And we're going to just briefly go through this. Now, feel free to pause and read for yourself if you want to just pause and read up. I'm going to briefly page through this so y'all can see what it's all about. Alright. Pretty decent user manual. Nice little diagrams. Okay, so it does open up so you could drop the microphone in it. And then one end goes into the back of the microphone and the other end goes into your device of choice. Again, whether it be a smartphone, a tablet, a camera, DSLR, you name it, it'll be compatible with it. They do have the diagrams here, and the different cabling is for the different devices. Alright, as you can see there. So, good stuff. Good stuff. I have to say, I do like the fact that they took the time to lay out everything with the proper diagrams. So that's really, really cool. Okay. And then right here. And then this is just a diagram letting you know how the microphone is going to pick up sound. All right. Okay. And some troubleshooting steps if you have issues. Pretty good stuff. And I think that's about it. Then on the back here, we got the website and we have some contact and email information there. I'm assuming that's for if you have any issues. All right, good stuff. Good stuff. All right, let me clean this up and I'll be right back. All right, now real quickly, let's check out this case here, and then we'll wrap the video up. Sorry about that, guys. Didn't mean to pause for that long. But again, this is the Cimo Case for the Pixel XL. Again, this one is another well-packaged product. A little bit of company branding on the front. Company logo up there. On the back here, it says thank you for your purchase. And then it says, please visit or follow us across the social media networks. So, good to see that. Barcode information, more company branding. What else we got going on here? That's about it. So, cracking this. Probably should have opened that off camera. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Oops. Bumpy cam, apologize. always have problems with these when it's time to open them up. I think I need to stop cutting my fingernails. That's what the problem is. Alright, you know what? Unboxing knife going into full effect here. So look on that. Yep. Was trying to save the packaging, but couldn't do it. And we are in business. Alright, so taking this bad boy out the package. Got a little filler here. And as you can see, this is for the original Google Pixel XL. Take this little filler out. Gotta say, feels pretty good. Now I thought this was gonna have more of a grippy texture on it, but it's more smoother. Nice black, so really good stuff there. Nice smooth on the inside as well. See, we got all our appropriate cutouts. Alright, let me pop off the transient case and we're gonna pop this on and see how it fits. Then we'll wrap the video up. Alright, so pop that off. Here's the Pixel XL here. Pop this on. See what we're looking like. Alright, so it went on super duper easy. And as you guys and gals can see, we got all the appropriate cutouts. So cutouts for our camera, our flash, and our rear facing microphones. Cutouts for our fingerprint sensor. Alright. Everything still works. So the fingerprint sensor, nice and responsive. Now this does cut down on your divot, so a little bit smaller divot with this case. So that makes it a little bit harder to feel. But still, good stuff indeed. Alright, and you can see our power button and our volume rockers have full protection. And they maintain their clickiness and functionality, so let me check here. Yeah, still very nice and clicky. And all of my shortcuts still work, so good stuff there. Then we have all of our proper cutouts across the bottom. So speaker grill, microphone, Type-C charging port, good stuff there. All right indeed. And we still maintain a little bit of raisedness for protection. And as you guys and gals can see, it does work with the screen protector that I had pre-installed, no problem. So good stuff there. Really good stuff. Now, as I said, it doesn't really add the grip that I was looking for, but it still looks pretty sleek. With the black and white, that's a pretty good look there. I like that. Good stuff. Good stuff. I'll probably review this case right alongside the other case that I have for the Pixel XL before we dive into the full review. So y'all be on the lookout for that. Still a work in progress. Anyway, that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions. Let me throw this on a stand real quick. Just what I have lying around here. Yeah, that looks pretty good with the black and the white. Looks pretty good. Alright, so that pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the BOYA MM1 microphone and the Cimo case for the Pixel XL. Now, my review for the BOYA MM1 microphone should probably be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video. So you guys and gals be on the lookout for that. We're going to put it through the usual testing. And I might even have a comparison video up as well between the BOYA versus the Move microphone. So y'all be on the lookout for that if I decide to do that. So again, the BOYA review will probably be out in 2 weeks from the posting of this video. And the Cimo case for the Pixel XL, I'll probably review that right before we dive into the full review of the Pixel XL itself. And again, that should be out a month from the posting of the original unboxing for the Pixel XL. So you guys and gals be out on the lookout for that. If you guys and gals enjoyed this video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Alright? If you want to see more content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I post new videos. As always, if this video piqued your interest and you're interested in where you can pick up some of the products that I featured in this video, all the links to everything that I talked about will be available down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. That being said, this whole video was recorded using the 12 megapixel rear facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S8 in 720p at 30 frames per second. So please let me know how the overall video looks, and all of the audio that you guys and gals heard for this video was recorded using the Move 2010 omnidirectional microphone. So please let me know what the overall audio quality looks like down below in the comments as well. And if you guys and gals have any questions on anything that I covered in this video, please leave them down below in the comments of this video, and I do answer all questions in a timely fashion. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone.